In this video, I will show you how to tag someone on post in LinkedIn. First of all, open the LinkedIn application on your device. Once you are on the home page, tap on the plus icon located at the top of your screen. This will open the post creation window where you can write a new post. To tag someone in your post, type @ followed by the person's name you want to tag. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear. Select the person you want to tag. Their name will appear highlighted, indicating that they have been successfully tagged. Finish writing your post, adding any text, links, or images as needed. When you are satisfied with the content of your post, it's time to share it with your network. Tap the post button located in the top right corner of your screen. Your post will be published and the tagged person will receive a notification that they have been mentioned. Now to see your post, tap on view post from the bottom. Here you can see that the tagged person's name is highlighted in your post. So by tapping their name, you will be able to reach their profile. And this is how you can tag someone on post in LinkedIn.